Hello everyone, my name is Zhu Chen. I'm the co-founder and COO of aelf blockchain technology. Today, I would like to share with you how aelf, together with Huawei Cloud, can help your organization to capture the new values in the digitalized world. I will first start to talk about how technology has been helping to grow the economy. Throughout the human history, we have seen technology to help people to move around. So that started with cars, airplanes, and ships. And moving forward, we start to see new technology to help information to be created seamlessly and at low cost, and also being transmitted to every single corner of the world. And that has opened up the business of internet. And moving even further into that, finance and fintech companies has been trying even further to make assets and values to move freely and also being exchanged and transacted at a more efficient way. Blockchain is here to help institutions to make assets and values to be exchanged, created, and transacted in a more efficient and secure way. It has a ledger that cannot be hacked, and it records every single transaction. The smart contract allows any transactions to be executed in a predefined way and a transparent way. And the incentive system comes with blockchain, allows companies to even work with customers that they never worked before, and even build an ecosystem that includes more partners and can expand globally. So that is the beauty of blockchain. Blockchain has come a long way for the past 10 years. It first emerged as a single use case called Bitcoin, which is a global money that was created not by any single country or any business entities, but still being accepted and traded by all the people in the world. And moving forward, we start to introduce a new technology on blockchain called smart contract, which is invented by Ethereum. So Ethereum become the programmable global money that allows money to be transacted in even more ways and also can be custodianed without any middleman. And that really opens up to many more possibilities for business, especially for financial institutions. So that's where the third generation of blockchain, such as aelf, is really trying to create an internet of value where smart contracts can be more generic to fulfill any kinds of business needs. And also it is future-proof that can allow any institutions to use it at ease. So it really makes blockchain as part of the digitalization journey for institutions. We have seen many use cases that has started with financial institutions, blockchain being one of the key technology enablers to make those things happen. Recently, we have seen the news that a few countries' central banks has started to experiment digital currencies in their own society, such as China and also Singapore government. We have also seen cross-border transactions empowered by blockchain to really make forex and also money remittance to happen at much cheaper cost. And we're very happy to hear cases like Velo Lab is trying to make that happen in Thailand with other countries. And without saying that, there are even more use cases happening on financial services. With so many use cases happening, companies has been leveraging the key features of blockchain to create values. So those are trustless, immutability, and also borderless. blockchain has replaced the needs of middlemen for any business to happen. So you could work with other institutions or customers without any trust to be built at the very beginning. This is super crucial for high-frequency trading and any financial transactions. The immutability of all the past records recorded on a blockchain also makes it more hack-proof, and people can use it at peace. And the technology itself provides an outreach that companies can provide the service to people in other countries and also can incentivize new partners at every corner of the world. So with these three key features, a lot of companies have been using it to improve the efficiencies of their existing business. For example, blockchain has been driving down the cost of cross-border remittance. But more interestingly, by replacing or getting rid of the middleman, companies have been envisioning a new value chain where they can capture more values or moving up or downwards to work on more stuff. And thirdly, with internet being more prominent in the whole world and our consumers being more and more comfortable of using digital assets and digital identity, it also provides new business opportunities and brand new business models for financial institutions to serve the new digital demographics in the world. And that is definitely the future. So blockchain is really more than a technology. It is part of the journey that helps institutions to go beyond automation and digitalization and move into more of a value-driven business model empowered by blockchain. So it will be part of the grand IT and digital transformation, and it will be one of the core parts. A lot of enterprises has been interested in this, and how can we actually go through the journey? So based on a survey conducted together between aelf and global consultancy Roland Berger, we have interviewed many executives around the world. A lot of them agreed that financial institutions need to embrace blockchain. And secondly, they also think that they want to take more of a controlled measure to start with something not public, but rather a consortium blockchain. And lastly, they also agreed that they're looking for partners not just to provide a future-proof blockchain, but also can help them to explore new applications on top of blockchain. So that's where we are. We're here to introduce aelf as the one-stop solution for your institution to embrace blockchain fully. aelf provides a world-class engineered blockchain that is future-proof. We offer you the product so you do not have to worry about blockchain to be obsolete, and it comes with all the modern technology that suits your institution's need. Secondly, running the blockchain in your institution is as easy as running any cloud applications. We can launch aelf blockchain in your institution within 15 minutes, and you can customize it based on your needs. So your organization fully owns that blockchain. And together with cloud service providers like Huawei, we could scale up the blockchain itself depending on how big your blockchain business is and to serve your customer base. So that provides a cost saving and also a scalability that fits the growth of your business. And along the way, we're offering more and more applications on Huawei Cloud so that you could see how other companies are using blockchain to innovate and serve their customers. And we are happy to help you on that journey. aelf blockchain is one of the most innovative and well-engineered products in the market. We are the first one to introduce parallel processing capability on a blockchain. And that leads to a processing and storage capability that is as efficient as central server, which will make your organization feel painless in using it to serve your customers. We also introduced an innovative cross-chain capability so that your application will not work in silo, but rather being able to work with any other applications available in the market, and you can tap into those customer base as well. aelf blockchain is built with a modular architecture so that it's super easy to maintain and also customize based on your institution's needs. And also, we keep the developer's experience at the core of our mission. So we try to make that as easy as possible and provide all the needed, necessary documentations and tools for your technology team to work on. We have been on the front line of setting standards in the industry. We are publishing a standard in digital asset identification at IEEE with a few other well-known institutions. We believe by having a standard in the industry, this will help companies to more easily bring assets onto blockchain. And this will define what data will be needed and how those assets shall be formed on a blockchain. As most companies are moving in their business onto cloud, we build aelf blockchain fully on cloud as well. Launching aelf blockchain on your cloud is painless. You could easily find it on the Huawei Cloud Marketplace and launch it using Huawei Cloud within 15 minutes. So in this way, you don't really feel any pain and rather just launch a new software from Huawei Cloud. And we don't stop right there. We give your institution the capability to customize that blockchain based on your needs. We know institutions sometimes may want to change how the consensus to be reached, or they may want to define whether this is gonna be a private chain or consortium chain with a few partners to start with, and also to minimize the risks of exposing it to the public. So our blockchain allows you to change all those, and you just need to change any modules that you would like to customize. And all those things can be done very easily with the help of Huawei Cloud. Once your organization has more comfort running the blockchain at your institution, you may want to even open it up to work with more partners in the future, or to work with other blockchains in the market. And that has been done by us. We provide a cross-chain communication mechanism that allows you to interact with all the famous blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also any other applications or sidechains that are using aelf technology. So we want to break the silos of all the different chains and let the values to flow across different business. For example, financial institutions could potentially work with digital identity companies on blockchain and also credit scoring companies so that each of the partners can focus on the specific application they're using. One of the key innovations that aelf has brought into this industry is we're the only blockchain that is capable of processing transactions in parallel. So we achieve that by smartly groups different transactions into independent categories, and with the help of cloud service capability, we could allow them to be processed at the same time and without endangering any securities. This means that we are making blockchain from a single core CPU to a multi-core CPU capability. And that will significantly improve the performance of blockchain. And our whole technology is built to support all the capabilities of cloud service. We separate the blockchain data storage and computation into different components so that each component can be done by a cluster of computers provided by cloud servers. And this is also the first time that a blockchain can achieve that. And this means that the blockchain fully embraces what cloud service can provide, which is to scale up and scale down based on your business need. And depending on what stage your organization is, we can also tailor a blockchain with cloud server that matches the transaction speed you need. So we have really provided a blockchain that is future-proof and also scalable enough to meet your business needs. We do not stop from there. We provide you the architecture and the fundamental technology, but also we work hand in hand with our customers to identify what is the business opportunity and what kind of business applications they shall use on blockchain. We've been working with various clients in financial industry to look at many interesting topics. A few interesting ones include how to make loyalty points on blockchain so that it can move freely, not just within the organization, but also much easier to work with other partners outside of its ecosystem. We're also helping gift card exchanges to see what it will be a better way to digitalize gift cards, to make them transferred more securely to avoid fraud, and also to make the whole exchange transactions more efficient. And we're also looking at trustless custodian for digital assets, tokenized assets, and cross-border remittance, and more. Our goal is really to help our clients to succeed in their own business. We've been working with a client in Southeast Asia to look at introduce a loyalty points into their current business. Their current system does not have a loyalty point system that can work securely and also allows other partners to join their ecosystem. So by introducing a loyalty points, they can significantly increase the retention rate of their customers and also potentially to allow cross-sell and upsell of other products they're offering to their clients. With blockchain system, it naturally has a very secure and efficient transaction system that can process loyalty points at high volume. And we have designed an architecture with the client so that the blockchain itself provides the settling capability at the back end, and together with an application at the front end, their users are gonna hardly feel that this is running on blockchain, but still enjoying all the benefits that it brings in. And the client's partners are also happy that the system brings in transparency in the whole loyalty points settlement. And we are happy to work with Amazon, which is the largest gift card exchange in Japan, to envision what Amazon 2.0 would be like on blockchain. Amazon has been serving its clients to facilitate physical gift cards exchange and trading for the past 5 years, and it captures over 40% of the market in Japan. By working with aelf blockchain, Amazon tech team has been envisioning the new ways of issuing gift cards and the efficient ways of allowing those digitalized gift cards to be transacted and redeemed and traded. This would significantly change how merchants would issue gift cards and also reduce the cost of issuing cards. And more importantly, this would significantly reduce the number of frauds associated with gift cards to help the customers. And Amazon is also leveraging the aelf blockchain technology to look at how to expand its business beyond the Japanese market. So both of us are super excited about this great opportunity to make physical gift cards fully on blockchain and leverages all the benefits of blockchain to reduce frauds and increase efficiency and improve customer user experience. Yeah, so in a nutshell, aelf Blockchain Company is here to help our clients together with Huawei to really identify what would be the new business opportunities for them to launch blockchain. And also, we're ready to run pilots and proof of concepts with enterprises to showcase how blockchain can really help these institutions. And ultimately, with all the tools and the supports we can provide and all the applications we're building along the way, we believe those can help the institutions to launch tailored applications based on their own business needs. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. We're really excited about all the business opportunities that blockchain unleashed for financial institutions. And we're here to provide you the technology and also the know-hows to walk through the transformation journey together and reach the new digital opportunities together. Thank you.